Welcome to the Wellbeing service. Students create and attend workshops, support each other, and find new way to well-being. Wellbeing officer will help students to run support group in a new Wellbeing ambassador training program called Student Support Students. There are weekly workshops like dance, mindfulness, and creative therapy. Recorded well-being workshops will be available for those who cannot make the session or want to practice self-care. In-person events and regular workshops on Zoom hope to make well-being accessible and available to all adult students. Welcome to the Wellbeing service at ELATT. It is for you.